In this video I will show you how to complete the next quest in the Why Not series. This time you have to make Watermint Whiskey for Goose. Before we start the quest, make sure you meet all the requirements. You need to be winemaking level 11, and also this quest only becomes available 24 hours after you have completed the previous quest in the Why Not series. So to start with this new quest, walk to the Drunken Goose in Terravilla and talk to Goose himself inside. You will need to make 24 Watermint Whiskey. For this you need 576 Watermint, you need 240 cooking mix and also 144 honey. So let's go to Hazel's shop and buy the right amount of Watermint seeds and the cooking mix. There is something special about the Watermint crop. You can only plant them on a water type farm. You know it's a water farm when the grass is blue. This farm I'm using right now is farm 797 and you are able to plant your Watermint seeds right here. And if you're looking for honey, you can use 4081 to get the honey from this yellow beehive. Once you have gathered all the resources, go to the winery and make the Watermint whiskey. And when you have all 24 bottles of Watermint whiskey, you return to Goose to deliver them to him. As a reward, Goose will give you 15,840 berry tokens, and also this time you can keep 2 bottles for yourself. You can sell them for 660 berry each, or you can drink them to gain 290 energy. In 24 hours from now, you can start a new Why Not quest. And of course, I will make a new video about this, so make sure to follow me. You can click here to watch the next Why Not quest video. I hope to see you there.